天是5月10日，星期三。今天股市整体平开平收。特朗普接受了司法部的建议，同意将解雇 FBI 局长。但华尔街目前的反应是非常平淡的，主要原因在于华尔街目前关注的焦点，主要就是税改政策。如果税改政策不能得到通过的话，股市有可能会面临巨大的问题。在法国总统大选结果出来之后，地缘政治风险降低，并且全球企业财报显示出全球经济正在好转。因此，波动率指数已经降到了24年以来的最低水平。在企业财报方面，英伟达股价今日大涨，主要原因在于在昨天财报公布之后，财报营收是好预计的。今天收盘之后 ，Snap 将公布他们的企业财报，同时明天梅西百货将公布财报数据。我们直击美股将为您持续关注这些企业的财报动向。在经济数据方面，4月份进口价格进一步上涨0.5%，在3月份这一数据上涨0.1%，这已经是连续第5个月上涨了。在原油价格方面，原油期货价格今天涨幅明显，主要原因在于 API 公布数据显示，原油库存已经连续5周减少。更多详细资讯，请关注今天的焦源访谈。
Good afternoon, Kurt Capper here with your daily recap for today, May 10th. Hope you guys had a great trading day. And, it was another quiet day in the market. Not much movement overall, but continues to hold this uptrend. It closed just under 240 here. So, still struggling to get through that level, but the fact that we had no follow through to yesterday's weakness and the fact that we reversed it today and closed up near or at the high of the day is an encouraging sign for what could be follow through here tomorrow. So we'll see if it gets that push up or if it continues to stall out here under this 240 level and ultimately rolls over. Now, looking at the chart, it's above the 8 and the 21-day moving averages, which tells us to be more bullish minded, looking for price to follow through higher. And so that's what we're going to have to do until proven otherwise. At this point, at a minimum, you're going to need to see a break below these recent lows, which aligns well with the 8 EMA there, as you can see on the chart. So until we get below that, there's really no reason to be thinking short at this point. So if we go around the horn here, take a look at the financials. They were able to rally a bit here today, not providing any follow-through to yesterday's weakness as they continue to try and hold this upper level of resistance and really transform it, if you will, into support in a potential attempt to push higher. So we'll keep an eye on the financials, but you can see here individual names like JP Morgan reversed course, did well here today. Same thing with Goldman, Bank of America as well. So all these names were pretty strong overall. We also had Bio recover after selling off intraday, putting in this bottoming tail. So continues to hold this 290 level. Looks like it's going to start pushing higher here as we head into the end of the week, so definitely keep your eyes peeled for that. And then also some individual names. NVIDIA, right, reported monstrous day here today, actually pushed up to new all-time highs during the course of today's action, but just incredible move there in NVIDIA. So that was definitely on a lot of traders' radar. Huge volume spike as well. Really nice day that it put together. Other earnings came out as well, as I'm sure you guys were playing. We also had Snap report here after earnings, and they're just getting roughed up here pretty good as the earnings were not very strong, to say the least. So that's lower here after hours. We'll see where it opens tomorrow and how traders are trading it at that point in time. As far as just some other sectors go, energy got a little bit of a recovery here today as oil was also strong. You can see USO held that 950 level and gapped higher. So this bounce, quite frankly, was to be somewhat expected. It's been in this area before, and every time in the past it's held. The only thing we're going to have to watch for now is what kind of follow-through it gets over the coming days, or lack of follow-through, because that will be the tell as to whether or not it continues to move higher or breaks this 950 level at some point here, probably, within the next couple weeks. So we'll have to pay attention to the action that we get here. And then taking a look at transports, they continue to just slosh around, really nothing too exciting about what they're doing. You've got the rails, which have been strong. CSX is one name that's been strong. Also, rail has been incredibly strong. So that's really where the strength has been in the transports, and really what's preventing things from really just falling apart. So if they start to pull in, watch for those transports to start falling as well. But overall, as I said, another quiet day here in the market, relatively speaking. We'll see, however, if things can get going, because interestingly enough, the Russell closed strong. It was the strongest today and closed above these recent highs on the daily chart. So this will be important to see tomorrow whether or not it's getting follow through, because I think that might be the key piece here in getting a nice rally here in the S&P as well.
好了，以上就是本期节目的所有内容了，感谢您的收看，祝您交易顺利，我们下期节目再见。